Hello, hello students. Today we are going to study next point, demultiplexer. This demultiplexer is a this is the block diagram of a demultiplexer. It has only one data input line, that is D in, and n outputs y0 to yn minus 1, and m number of select lines and one enable input and one enable input. A demultiplexer performs the reverse operation of one input and distributes over several outputs. In a multiplexer, many input, one output, but in a demultiplexer, one input, many output. So this demultiplexer receives one input and distributes it over several outputs. So this demultiplexer is known as a distributor and multiplexer is known as a selector. That one point is asked, difference between multiplexer and demultiplexer. Multiplexer is a selector and demultiplexer is a distributor. It receives one input and distributes several outputs. So one input, many output. So this multiplexer is a 1:n demultiplexer. 1:n demultiplexer. One input, many output, and one enable input, m select input lines. At a time, only one output line is selected by the select lines and input is routed to the select output line. This line is very important, and from that line we design all demultiplexer. And in multiplexer, number of input line depends upon number of select lines, or select lines depends upon number of input line in a multiplexer. But in a demultiplexer, that at a time only one output line is selected by select lines. That relation n is equal to 2 raised to m. N is equal to 2 raised to m, where m is equal to number of select inputs and where n is equal to number of data output lines. That output line depends on select line in a demultiplexer, and the input is routed to the output of the line. So demultiplexer is this is the equivalent diagram of demultiplexer. In this equivalent diagram, this is a single pole multiple way switch is act, and the input will be enabled when the input enable will be enable the demultiplexer. This enable is a enable input, and this enable input is enable the demultiplexer, and it is a not active, then it if enable is not active, then demultiplexer not work. So the relation between output and m select line as follow: n is equal to 2 raised to m. This is the demultiplexer. This diagram, the block diagram for this demultiplexer, 1:n demultiplexer, and this is the equivalent diagram. This acts as a single way multiple way switch. Enable input, enable the demultiplexer. When this is active, then demultiplexer start its work, and that relation between n is equal to 2 raised to m, that n is equal to number of select lines and n is equal to number of output lines, and that input is routed to output at a time only one. These are the introduction of demultiplexer. Next, that types of demultiplexer. There are the different types of demultiplexer. That first is 1:2 demultiplexer. 1:2 demultiplexer. In this 1:2 demultiplexer, that first type, this is the first type, 1:2, 1:4, 1:8, 1:16, 1:16. These are the types of demultiplexer. These are the types of demux. And from that diagram, block diagram, we design the different types of demultiplexer. 1:2 demultiplexer. For 1:2 demultiplexer, how many number of input lines are required, how many number of select lines required, how many output line required? 1:2 demux. 1:2 demux. For 1:2 demux, there is a one D in input, one enable input line, and two outputs line y0 and y1, and one select line is required. That relation n is equal to 2 raised to m. When there are output are 2, 2, when select line is 1, then output is 2. So number of select line is required for 1:2 is 2. 1:2 is 2. So next, for this is the block diagram of 1:2 demultiplexer, one data input line, two output lines, one enable input, one select line. And from that truth table, or from this diagram, we design the truth table. This is the enable input, enable E. Next, S0 select line 1. So select line is S0. Next, outputs are 2, that two outputs are Y1 and Y0. Here is Y, LSB to MSB, you have to write. First, enable is 0. Enable is 0, so multiplexer is not start, sorry, demultiplexer is not start its work. So enable 0, so select line not select any data. So this is a don't care condition, means that input is as a 0 or 1. Then output is a Y0 and Y1 are 0, because demultiplexer not start its work. When enable is 1, for select line data is 0. For select line data is 0. Select line data is 0. So D in data is not given here. That D in data is routed to Y0 output. Y0, because select line data is 0. Select line data is 0. So this D in input is routed to distributes as a Y0 output, as here D in. As here D in, and here Y1 is a 0. Enable is 1. For select line data is 1. For select line data is 1. So input D in routed as a output for Y1, because Y1, that S0 is 1. S0 is 1. That relation between select line and that n is equal to 2 raised to m. This relation is between select line and output line. So select line, whatever data is select, that output is selected. So that as for S0 data is 0. So here D in is input routed as a output for Y0. For Y0. So output as a D in here. Select line data is 1. Select line is data is 1. So output is selected as Y1. But for Y1, D in is routed. D in is a routed. So here is a output as a D in, and here this is the 0. This is the truth table of 1:2 demultiplexer. And this 1:2 demultiplexer we realize by using the gates, by using the gates. So that truth table we prepare for that demultiplexer by realization of 1:2 demultiplexer. 1:2 demultiplexer we realize using gates. So for using gates, you have to first design the truth table for 1:2 demultiplexer. This is the enable input, data input here is D in, and select line S0, and outputs are 2 for 1:2 demultiplexer, Y1 and Y0. So in that diagram, in that truth table, 1:2 demultiplexer, in this truth table or in this table, this is a normal 1:2 is designing, but 1:2 demultiplexer we design by using gates. In this truth table, there are only enable is taken, S0 is taken, and Y1 and Y0. But in a designing, data D in is here. So enable is 0, demultiplexer not start its work. So D in input is don't care. S0 data for S0 is also don't care. So Y1 and Y0 are 0, 0, 0, 0. Multiplexer not start its work. When enable is 1, for select for data d in is 0, d in is for select line data is S0, select line data is 0, so for d in data is a 0, so output for y1 as a selecting as a y0 is selected, so output of y0, this d in data is routed to y0, d in data is routed to y0, so output is 0. When enable is 1, for d in data is 1, but select line is 0, but for d in data is 1, that d in data for d in data is 1, so this d in is routed output as a distributes as a for y0, because select line data is selecting 0, so it selects the output as a output as a y0. So this output as a for d in data is 1, so for y0 is a 1, so this is a 0. In this here y0 is connected to d in, this is the first for data select line for data 0. When enable is 1, for select line data is 1, but for d in data is 0, but output is selected as a select line data is 1, so output is selected 1, but for y1 their output d in is routed as a 0, because this is a d0, we give the data as a 0, so y1 as a here 0, this is a 0. When enable is 1, for d in data is 1, but select line is 1, so output is y1 is selected, for y1 there is d in data 1, that is a distributes, so this d in data is distributed to y1, because S0 data is 1, so output is routed for y1 as a 1, when this is a y1 is connected to d, that in this truth table and in this truth table is difference. This is only normal, we design 1s2 demux, but when asked 1s2 demux design using gates, that time we design this truth table. E data in, for d in data we give the data 0 or 1, for d in data we give the data 0 or 1, but select line that time S0 is a 0 first time, and then S0 is a 1, so for y1 here y0 is connected to d in, that d in data is here routed, and for y1 that d in data is routed, that is y1 is connected to d in, when the select line is 1 1, then y1 output is selected. Then directly you have to, for designing you have to use the K-map method, or directly you have to design the equation for y0. When in this truth table where is y0 is output 1, that input line is we have to select. Here is y0 is 1, and for that y input is select here, that e, this is 1, so e, this is d in, and S0 is a 0, so S0 bar, this is a y1 output, and y1 is where 1, that input line you have to select, that is input here, that equation e, d in, and S0 is 1, so this is a S0, in this S0 is bar, so S0 bar, this is a y1 and y0 equation, and from that diagram you have to form this equation, you have to design these are the separate, not here plus sign, y0 and y1. E enable, next d in, and next S0. For S0 we connect one NOT gate, because we require the S0 bar. So y0 input as a, this is one AND gate, this is one AND, separately here not we add that two equations, y0 y1, because y0 y1 up to yn minus 1 we have to take the outputs. So here for 1s2 demux two outputs, so y0 and y1, there are two required AND gates. This is a E, this is a D in, and in this equation S0 bar, so we here connect the S0, and output is E D in S0 bar. This is the equation for Y0. Next is Y1. Y1 equation as D E D in and S0. So output as here E D and S0. This is the diagram for 1:2 demux using the gates. Next lecture we study the 1:4 demux using NAND gate and normal that truth table.